Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this rose bouquet on Dress to Impress. So I'm just going to color my skin tone the color of the wrapper. I'm just going to create a black and gold theme. And then we are going to use this, this dress for the leaf part. Oops, sorry. I am just going to add a glitter texture to it. Then we are going to get this dress and we're going to again color it the same color as the wrapping paper. Get the petal dress and then we are going to again color it the same as the wrapping paper. No silver top and enable particles. And then for the wrapping paper, we are going to add more items to it. Get the magical girl set skirt, select only bow, and I'm just going to color it the gold color. Maybe I can make it a little bit darker so it matches this top. Then get the Elsa sleeves as well here. Then for the other bow, get this Valentine's Day quest outfit. Select veil only. Wait, no. Select this one I meant, sorry. Like so. Then for the bouquet, oh, actually I forgot one thing. We are going to use this cape. Cape only, and then I'm just going to color it all the color of the stem. Also, you can only do this in free play mode. I forgot to mention that. Select this dress and then color the first color, again the color of the stem, and then the second one should be the color of your rose. Select this skirt, toggle it to the second one, and color the first one again the color of your stem or leaves and stuff, and the second one the color of your flowers. And that's pretty much it. Just go to the post pack, the Halloween one, and select possession. You can obviously add a face and more items, but here is how you can create a rose bouquet or flowers bouquet in Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. I think I'm going to just change this to black for like the flower holder, but yeah, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.